Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.